Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 1, to our very first piano lesson with the kindergarten program. My name is Dennis Wang. Let's get started. I like to start very first piano lessons with a listening game to get a little orientation on the piano, because we have lots of keys and we have lots of differently sounding keys. So we have high and low sounding ones. The high ones are on the right side of the piano, the lower ones on the left side of the piano. So for this game we are going to need 2 cups or 2 boxes. I labeled my 2 paper cups here, one with the word high, the other one with the word low. And I placed the cup that says high on the right side of the piano and the cup that says low on the left side of the piano. And then we will also need pom-poms or any other small little items that you can find, buttons, gems, so whatever you would like to use. I'm going to use pom-poms today. So for this game you will hand out this little basket with the pom-poms to the child, and the child has to turn away from the piano, and then you'll get to pick a key. Let's say we would pick this one. Was this high or low? It was high, so the child would then have to take one of the pom-poms and place it into the cup on the right side of the piano that says high. And then we could play one lower. This is low sounding. This was very high, so a pom-pom goes into this cup, and so forth. The closer you get to the middle of the piano, the more difficult it gets to distinguish between high and low. So this, I would still consider this high sounding, and this more on the lower side. Okay, great. So now we know about high and low notes. You can also change this game up a little bit, and you could take the pom-poms and you'd have to turn away, and the child could play some keys on the piano, and now it would be your turn to decide if it was high or low sounding. So that's just another way of playing this game. Once we are done playing this game, we want to take a closer look at all of our keys here. So the first thing we might notice is that we have white keys and we have black keys. But there's something very special about the black keys, because the black keys, they come in 2 groups. Group of 2, group of 3. Group of 2, group of 3. So for the next activity, we are going to use the kindergarten printable, the key group cards. The purple ones have the group of 2 black keys on them, and the green ones have the group of 3 on them. And we will just use these kind of like a puzzle. So where would this one go? We need to look for a group of 2 black keys. I'm going to go with the one right in front of me in the middle. Then we have group of 3. Then we have another group of 2, group of 3, group of 2, and group of 3, group of 2, and so forth. Okay, so now it's pretty clear, I would say. We can recognize a pattern here. We have green, purple, green, purple, green, purple, green, purple. What does that mean in other words? Group of 3, group of 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. So it's a repeating pattern. We could repeat this game or this activity. Now this time we could ask to look for a higher sounding group of 2 black keys. There would be one right here, and a higher sounding group of 3. This is high, it's on the right side of the piano. And let's look for a lower group of 2. Down here, on the left side, group of 3. Whoops. There we go. And then we could just continue this pattern. Okay, great. Let's take one of the purple cards out. So this purple card here has a group of 2 black keys on it. But now we want to focus on the key that is in the middle of the 2 black keys here. So this white key in the middle of it. And let's name this the doghouse D key. This is a doghouse, a group of 2, and in the middle of it is doghouse D. Let's take our pom-poms back out, or gems, or Lego pieces, or buttons, whatever you've used before. And now let's look for doghouse D keys on the piano. Let's see. Group of 2 in the middle, there's one right here. Group of 2 in the middle, group of 2 in the middle, group of 2 in the middle, maybe another low one, and maybe a higher one. Oops. Okay. It doesn't have to be color-coded. I just used purple pom-poms, but you can use different colors, that's fine too. All right, let's try to play all of the doghouse D keys that we just found on the piano from low to high. Very good. Now we could take the pom-poms off and repeat this activity and look for doghouse D keys again, but this time let's say we look for a high doghouse D first. Group of 2 in the middle. And maybe one in the middle. Group of 2 in the middle. And maybe a low one. Group of 2 in the middle. So let's play the highest one we found, the middle one, and the low one. This way we also get to repeat the concept of high and low notes. And let's pick these back up. Very good. That is it for the very first piano lesson for kids ages 3 to 9 with the kindergarten program and the kindergarten curriculum. So what have we learned so far? We know that our high notes are on the right side of the piano. We know that our low notes are on the left side of the piano. We know that we have a group pattern. We have group of 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3 black keys. And then we also learned about the doghouse D key, and that was group of 2 in the middle. 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 Very good. I hope you guys will enjoy these activities and piano games, and I hope to see you guys in lesson 2.